Our trip begins at Power Road just south of Queen Creek Road. We are heading east. There are 2 parks to park at. I will point them out along the way. I love seeing the families out here together. This is a popular trail for biking, running, and walking, but you can still enjoy some solitude during quieter times. The trail is open year-round and is beautiful to visit anytime. Today we will share a couple of fun and relaxing restaurants. Creekside Taco Shack and The Bistro are both conveniently located about 200 feet off the trail. First, we will look at Creekside Taco Shack. Just on your left, as you approach the bridge you can bear right and cross Sossaman Road, or you can go under the bridge and loop back and you'll be on the right side of the road for the restaurant. They are open for lunch and dinner. The Creekside Taco Shack has a unique atmosphere no matter what time of the day you visit. The food is amazing and the decor is a hoot and fun, like these unique bar stools. Come back after a long day of cycling and put on your flip-flops, grab a ice-cold margarita, and relax at the shack during the evening with your family. Let's keep heading east. We're only about 1 mile in. This is a Saturday, so there are a few more people than there would be during the weekdays. I will point out a couple of parks that are great places to start your trail ride or walk. We are heading to The Bistro, about 2.5 miles away. Along the way, you will find some nice rest areas with some interesting information about the wildlife and the history of the Wash. For instance, did you know the Wash starts east of Superior, Arizona, just below Whitlow Dam? That is about 40 miles from Queen Creek. We are now coming up to a trail access area where you can park your car and unload or spend the day fishing, or on the splash pad with the kiddos. I will share some pictures of Mansel Carter Oasis Park. This park deserves a video of its own. It is something special and a perfect spot to start your adventure for the day. Back on the trail heading east. Desert Mountain Park is another great place to start your day. The trail can be easily accessed from the parking lot. There are clean restrooms at both parks. Now we're coming up on Ellsworth Road. If you go under the bridge here, the trail continues for another mile or so. But for today our journey will end at the Bistro for breakfast. Don't go away, the best is yet to come. The Bistro is on the northeast corner of Ellsworth RD and East Sierra Park Boulevard. You can use the crosswalk or head straight down the street and hang a left into the parking lot. The trail continues for about a mile. In a future video, I will share an easy way to get to Sonoqui Wash 1 mile south. It is another paved trail back to Power Road. The entire loop is 12 miles. With some unique places to eat and visit on the South Trail too. The master plan for the trail is to extend it out to Ironwood East and Empire Road South, and to connect both the North Trail and the South. I will share more about that in a future video also. Just hit subscribe for updates. Other bikers are often found eating at The Bistro. They have a great menu that caters to everyone. We all need to help support local businesses whenever we can. Now, for one of my favorite spots, The Bistro. This establishment has changed hands a few times over the years. I'm sure it's because the location is kind of secluded, but that's very much part of its charm. The owners Kim and Mike always greet you with a smile. And the staff is very attentive. The food is great and thought out and delicious. Whether you're on a bike, walking, or in a car, stop in and give this relaxing bistro your love and support. You won't be disappointed. Until next time, happy trails.